Click on the link below to get price. The Jasion EB5 Electric Bike is a remarkable blend of performance, design, and affordability, making it an excellent choice for adults seeking an efficient mode of transport. Powered by a peak 500W brushless motor, the EB5 delivers a thrilling riding experience, allowing users to tackle hills and varied terrains with ease. The motor offers a top speed of around 20 miles per hour, which is impressive for commuting without compromising safety. One of the standout features of the Jasion EB5 is its impressive range. With the ability to cover up to 40 miles on a single charge, it stands out in a crowded market, making it ideal for daily commuting or leisurely rides. The 36V10Ah removable lithium battery is not only easy to charge but also allows for flexible battery management, enabling you to keep it safe and secure while the bike itself is parked. The bike's frame is constructed from lightweight aluminum, ensuring durability without sacrificing portability. Its foldable design means you can easily store it in tight spaces or transport it in your vehicle. The adjustable seat and handlebars provide a customized fit, accommodating various rider heights for added comfort. The Jasion EB5 also features a user-friendly LCD display, which shows essential metrics like speed, distance, and battery level, allowing riders to monitor their ride effectively. Additionally, the dual disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, ensuring safety at higher speeds. While the assembly process might require some patience, the overall build quality is commendable. The bike rides smoothly, and the suspension system absorbs bumps, enhancing comfort on uneven surfaces. For those looking for a cost-effective electric bike that doesn't skimp on features, the Jasion EB5 is a fantastic option. With its powerful motor, long-range capabilities, and user-friendly design, it's a solid investment for both new and experienced cyclists alike. Whether you're commuting or exploring, this electric bike is sure to impress.